So in the number system, as I told you, in Nanadinagari, couple of characters looks like numbers are looks like Devanagari, but a couple are changed. So just I am practicing telling one by one for all of you. So in order to represent the numerals, and the Nanadinagari uses 10 symbols as we used in Devanagari. So what are the 10 symbols that I'm going to tell you now? So the Roman, one side I'm writing the Roman. 1 minute, it is little, I have to, oh, where is the pen? Okay. So in the Roman, we have 0. And Nanadinagari also the 0. Okay. And the Roman is like 1 here. In Nanadinagari, it is semicircle. Semicircle. Okay. And then 2. In Nanadinagari, you have a circle, and the circle you can taking up to the left side. Okay. This is 2. And then number 3. Actually, number 3 like Devanagari 2. You see, Devanagari 2. 1 round and then coming down, then a second circle and going coming to the right side. So it is 1, 2, 3. And then we can have the 4 in Roman. So 4, this is the 4. You see, you bring with one line coming down and then circle and going up. This is 4. And then 5. So 5, you have a semicircle and then you have a slanting line and then one vertical line. See, this is 5. And talking about the 6. So in the 6, small round, small circle. Sorry, some circle, same circle, and then coming down. Again, you have a circle, little curve, and there is a horizontal line. So please follow that. And this is the 6. And about the 7. So 7, you have a small circle and coming down, and then they have a horizontal line. This is 7. And about the 8, you have a semicircle and then horizontal line. Then 9. So 9, vertical line, then join the horizontal line. And from the vertical line, you have a small vertical, then horizontal. Okay, this is the basic number. And I would like to tell you some variant forms. Not all, but I'll write one by one. Suppose the 2, as we have seen, this is the 2 in Roman. So 2 we have seen, this is the regular form. But there is another form, you see. It looks like Brahmi Kha, like a hook. So both is 2. Okay. And then we have another variant in number 6. Okay. So number 6, we have seen like this. This is the regular form in the left side, and the right side I'm writing the variant form. So this is the 6. See, one thing you have to be very careful. The first number is the Roman number, and the second two is the variant of Nanadinagari. In case of 6, the same. 6 the Roman, and then below these two forms are the variant of number 6. So we can go to number 7. So number 7, as we have seen, just this is a regular form. This is a regular form, and also this is also number 7. Please note down both, and you can visualize the basic difference between these two. So that you do after class, and if you have any question, you can ask me, and you will see and how it is difference. Everything you can imagine yourself. So this is 7, and then there is another number, only one, that is the 9, which ends up. So the regular form, as I told you, you have a small. This is the 1, and the variant is, you see, half circle, a semicircle, 2 semicircles, one each other another, then like this. You see, this is also, it means you have a horizontal line, hook like hook, then coming one semicircle and the semicircle. This is also 9. So please note down all the variant forms of the number. Suppose you would like to write the number, means I'm talking about the combination of these symbols. These are the higher numbers. Suppose higher numbers. Suppose 10. So very easy. This is 10. Only you have to have all these symbols. 10. 11. Simple. Now the question, how to write them? It is in the horizontal way, not the vertical way. Okay, please note down. Okay, so 10 and then 11. This is 11. And now suppose like 1000, the same, 1000. Okay, this is 1 0 0 0. This is 1000. Suppose I would like to 2 2 3 5. How to write? 2 2 3 and then 5. Okay, so now I am write down some numbers. So you have to, after the class, you have to write and practice and give to me. Like, please note down all the numbers. 6 9 3, 9 9 7, 2 3 1, 9 5 9, 6 7 8. Okay, please note down all these numbers. You can write also by as per your choice, but couple of numbers I'm giving. Again, 7 7 9, 2 6 9, 3 5 8, 8 7 3, 2 5 4. Please, couple of numbers I have given. Please use the Nanadinagari symbols, the numerals, and send to me through the WhatsApp. Okay, so this was the variant form of the number and also basic number. Now I am going to tell you the variants of the alphabets, which I would like to cover today. So I'm going to write, so please note down one by one, and you will have the recording. So whenever you have some difficulties, you can see through the recording. So some variant letters or symbols can be easily noticed in the Nanadinagari. So I would like to give one by one, and some of the variations also similar with the alphabet of Devanagari. So you can see one by one. Not all. So whatever the variant letters or symbols are found in Nanadinagari manuscripts or inscriptions, that I am going to show you one by one. So what I am going to do, I will write down the regular form, and next to that there will be the variant form. Or we can do like this: Devanagari and Nanadinagari regular form and variant of that form. So this is the procedure. So the first one will be the Devanagari, and the second one will be the regular form, and the third one will be the variant form. So now start with long short U. Maybe Roman I can use. Okay. Like we do this U. Okay. This U. 1 minute. I did some wrong. First Roman U. This is the U in Devanagari. Now the regular form is below U, and the variant form. Please note down the second one. Okay. Please note down. And then come to letter Re. Okay. So we have the regular form and the variant form next to that. How to write? Horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line. Then from the middle of the vertical line, you have a horizontal line. Join with another vertical line. So please note down. So we have the regular form and also the variant. We can go to the next. That is the A. Okay. So A, we have seen this. And now, what is the variant form? A, and also A. So we have two variant forms. Please note down the regular form and the variant forms. A. If we jump to the next, that is I. Please note down the I. As we have seen in before in the beginning, it was the I, the regular form, and the variant is the double. Look at here. This is the variant, and another variant is there also. Please note down. I. In the variant forms, I'm going to show you the alphabets like the vowels, sometimes the consonants, and sometimes also.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
The second one, which is I, how can we differentiate between yai and I? Because it looks like ya with two matras.
Where is the ear? What you said?
The second variation of I looks like year with I car.
Ear means you're talking about the basic vowel ear.
Year, yes.
Means no. You see, if you go to the ear, it is like the ear. Okay. This is ear. What is your question now?
Okay, yes, sir. No problem, sir. Yes, okay. Thank you, sir.
It's okay? It's clear to you?
Yes, sir.
What's your name, please, sir?
This is Prasanna. Prasanna Shikhare.
Okay. ओके प्रसन्न शेखर जी, अभी आपको समझ में आ गया ना? यह
Yes, sir.
यह में क्या होता है, वो जो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है ना, वो आगे है,
Okay.
जो ए में है नहीं ना, देखिए ये, दिस इज द ईयर, इसी
Right,
to
sir.
the left
Okay.
it is okay. Thank you. So now come to ku. There is a varieties of ku. We can see variant of ku. So as we see in Roman and also Devanagari. So ku, how we are doing before? Ka, and then ku with u. What is the variant form? The same ka. Instead of this round one, like this vertical and then little round and going up, you have a just one horizontal line. Please note down this. This is also ku. Okay. Please note down. Now we can have the long u. That is also, we have some variations like ku. So as you know, this is ka, this is ka, and then u. Okay. But it is the regular one. The variant will be ka, u. Please note down. And another variant, ka, with what you do, you can just little round here and then have a horizontal line in the bottom towards the left. So this is also long ku. Okay. Now we can have kra. You see, I'm taking all. We have vowels, we have the consonant and vowel combinations, and we have consonant and vowel combinations. So now kra. Kra. Okay. So kra, as you know, we did like the ka and this ra, or maybe the horizontal line little up sometimes. That I already told you. Ka, ra, ra, kra. But what is the variant form? Look at here. Ka, and the ra is from this stroke, from the, you see, from this corner, equal a slanting line going up, and again little curved line is there. This is also kra. Please note down. Okay. This is kra. And definitely it is not in a proper order, because whatever I am remembering, just I am telling you. So now kha. Okay, kha. So kha, kha. So we can have the kha. Okay, kha, as we see, like this. It was a kha, irregular kha. Then what is the variants? same as the horizontal line, but here you can write the reverse D. Look at here. Instead of triangle, there is a round semi-circle. This is one type of curve, and the second curve will be then this horizontal line, and the triangle will be like this. See the second one. Okay. So please note down. And then cha. So cha. How to do the cha? So as you know that when we see all the basic alphabets, definitely at that time also I already told you a couple of letters, but now I'm actually telling all these cha now. So cha, see here. So we have, this is the cha. How to do the variant? The variant will be, you have a semicircle, again one slanting line towards the slanting line, and then we have a vertical line with round at the bottom. This is also cha. Please note down. And one interesting thing I would like to tell you now, chi. You see, chi. So in the case of chi, as we have seen, this is cha and this is chi. But the variant of the chi, no problem with the cha, but the ikar will be like the Devanagari. See, it is clearly with the Devanagari. And I would like to, in this context, I would like to explain this chi from the point of view of Brahmi, because it is very interesting. This is the only matra or only chi or e matra, e vowel. As we speak, we don't write. Otherwise, all the alphabets, all the Sanskrit words, as we speak, we write in the same manner. Means, speak means first letter and the second letter. When you say chi, chi means the combination of and e. It means cha and e. So definitely we pronounce e after cha, but we see the symbol of the cha is before cha. The e before cha. I want to show you. See here, when you say chi, it is like this, chi. See, I. But we pronounce e after. But you can see the sign before. Okay. How it has happened, you see, very interesting. Suppose in the Brahmi it is ka. And then we said, okay, it is e. Then we have dirgha e. Okay. Or you can do like this, ka, ki, and long e. Okay. So what is happening here? When you have double, what to do? So the previous one coming to the left side. Oh, what happened? When you have this double, the previous one, the first one coming down to the left, and the second one going to the right. It means when you say this is a ka, so ki, and then with the long one, this is ki. See, because of this happened, because from the top it is coming down to the both sides, because in the beginning there are two vertical strokes, and these two vertical strokes divided into different directions, one to the left, one to the right. And definitely, actually, if it both are in the right, then how we can write? We cannot write. Suppose ki, if both is like this, so how we can be dirgha? So the harsva came back to the back side of the letter and the dirgha to the front side, means after. So this is the short explanation about the ikara. And then we have variations of cha. I'm talking about this cha. Look at here, cha. So as we have already seen this cha, okay. So I can now have some variants of cha. So the first one will be cha. Look at here in the bottom. And the second one, this is cha. Means you are taking from the vertical line and it will curve to the right side and then coming down, make a circle. And also another varieties of cha. At the end, you have a stroke, you have a circle like this. See, mean the vertical line continue. This is also cha. Okay, please note down all the variants. Now we can go to the next variant, that is the ta. Ta. How to do? The regular ta we have seen. Ta. And also instead of, sorry, 1 minute. Both are the regular form. The variant will be in the third one I'm just doing. Instead of vertical line, there is a small dot on the center. This is also ta. Please note down. The first two are the same, and the second one is the variant one. Okay, so please note down. And then some conjuncts also some variant, like tna. We have seen already tna. Ta, then na, tna. But the variant form, horizontal, vertical, again another horizontal, and you can join the na with that horizontal. This is also tna. Please note down. The first one is the regular one, and the variant is the second one. Tna. And we have some variant in tra. Tra. Look at here, this tra. Okay, so horizontal, vertical, ta, and ra. This is the regular. But variants, you can see there is no graphic difference in ta. Rakar is different. You have a slanting or curved line to the left side up. This is tra. And another tra, you have a horizontal line, vertical line. Again, two parallel horizontal lines joined with that vertical line. Okay. This is also tra. So we have two varieties, two the variations you can see. Okay. This is tra. And then we can go to the twa. This is the next one, twa, the combination of ta and wa. Twa. So the regular variation is like this. But now the variant, you have horizontal line, vertical line, semicircle, again vertical, and then you have another parallel horizontal line joined with the vertical line, just the second line to the main stroke. Okay. So this is also twa. And now dia. We have seen the dia. So dia. So D Y A. Dia. So as you have seen, the dia, the, and then ya. It is dia. But what is the variant form? It looks like actually Devanagari, but it is the Devanagari. In the beginning of Devanagari combination, the consonant cluster, you have one horizontal line. From middle of the horizontal line, you have a vertical line, again a semicircle, little circle but going up, and then you have the vertical line. And there is I am just giving arrow, the both, you can see. There is a similarities between these two, the Devanagari and the Nanadinagari. So Nanadinagari and Sarada, they are the sister scripts of Devanagari. And now we have variations of dha. So dha. So dha, this is dha. So we have seen this dha. And now varieties of dha you can see. Small circle coming up and then coming down. Okay. And also you can write like Devanagari 3 or like Roman 3 like this. This is also tha. This is also tha. So there are a couple of varieties. So please note down them. Okay. And after that, we can go to the next, that is the pa. And we can see the regular pa. As we have seen, this is pa. Then what is the variant form? It looks like actually u, but it will change. This is also pa. Please note down the red one. This is also pa. And there is a very interesting graphic, a combination of double pa. So we can go to that also. Double pa, pa. So P, P, A, pa. Look at here in the, it is papa in first variety, the regular, the variant. You can see we have one horizontal line, then vertical line, then another horizontal line coming down with a vertical line, like Roman H. And then you joining with that horizontal line have a circle, semicircle. And then you can have another vertical line. Okay. Look at here. Please note down. Please note down. So now it is a combination of double pa. So we can go ahead with the letter fa. So PHF fa. It is the fa. So you have pa, and from there, this is fa. See, pa, fa. But the variant we can see, first you do the pa, and from the right top, right side, the top, you have a semi circle, and coming down, and then you have this zigzag one. This paw looks like one slanting line and then a little horizontal, vertical. And also another paw. First to do the paw. There is no problem. Do the paw. And this is also paw. Look at here. And sometimes it's joined or sometimes it's just close to the vertical line. Okay. Please note down all the varieties of fa. Okay. And now we can have the ba. Okay. So even though I have shown you that ba, two different types, but you can see here, this is the ba. Okay. And how in you see there is a dot in the button on the middle, the center. Again, and then you have a horizontal line. Sometimes the line may be from top to like this corner. Okay. How you can see that the development slowly going towards the Devanagari alphabet. Okay. So this is the ba we see, and then bhu, V H with a long U, bhu, bhu. So already we have seen, because there is a difference between this bhu and bha and ta. So please, it is bha and bhu. And how is the variant form is the same, but the ukara is different. See, it is open now. The two strokes are there on the bottom, but it is open towards the downward to the left. So this is bhu. Yes, we have varieties of ma actually. I just want to draw the ma. So as you know, we have this horizontal line. I'm talking about the ma. Okay, this ma. Please note down it. So we have this horizontal, vertical. This is, sorry, I have to write down the regular one first. Okay, so this is ma. You have the line, horizontal, vertical, then one slanting line, it will round and going up. Okay, but varieties of ma. This is also ma. This is also ma. The both sides will like this ma. Okay, and you have the ma. Ma. Please note down all the different types of ma in Nanadinagari. Okay, and then ra. Even though ra is very simple, but we have varieties of ra. That is very important to know. This is ra, but some places you can see this is ra. This is also ra. This is also ra. Please note down all these little changes, minor changes are there in the strokes and the lines. So please note down that ra. Ra. And ru is very interesting. I will just show you ru. This ra with u, with long u, especially ru. So that we do in the Devanagari. I can show you. This is ru. So as you know, in Nanadinagari, this is a ru that you know, but the variant will be like purely Devanagari. See, like this. This is also Ru. And easily you can imagine how this Devanagari has come down to us, how through of developments from Brahmi, but different stages, and a couple of characters are very close to Nanadinagari. Okay. And then law, as we know, the law. So already we have seen this law. But you can see in Devanagari law, you see only difference is the Devanagari law, you can see both Devanagari law and this variant. What is the basic difference? The basic difference is the head stroke in the law in both sides. But in the Nanadinagari, it is only to the left law. And another variety of law. Look at here. This is also law, note down. Okay. Law. And one Rla. This also I would like to explain a little bit. It is very interesting. You see, in Sarada, it is influence of Sarada. I can show you the basic structure of Rla as we studied. It was like this is a law we have seen. But the variant will be like horizontal, vertical, and then the law. Okay. And there is another parallel horizontal. This stroke actually, horizontal stroke actually, raw is used in Sarada script. So the paleographic study of the script is actually very interesting. When you know how they are connected with other scripts, sometimes the vowels, sometimes the consonants, sometimes the combination of both. So very interesting if you really want to study more deep. It is really interesting. I think in this way, I have just covered all the variants. So now I would like to ask you if you have any question on this. I will be answered to you. Otherwise, we can reading, or we can have some other things to read and decipher some of the folios I have given to you. So please ask me if you have any question. Thank you. Do you have any question? Hello.
Sir, pranam.
Yes, pranam.
This is Kamal Kumar, sir. Sir, please एक बार और सर वेरिएंट बताइएगा जो बड़ा कू था उसके वेरिएंट एक और बताइएगा बड़ा कू का जो आपने बताया था
बड़ा कू मतलब जो दीर्घ ऊ बोला ना
दीर्घ कू हाँ सर
ओके कू okay 1 minute you are talking about this ku
yes sir
okay
yes sir.
So as you know this is ka and this is ku is a regular ku okay but in the variations you can see here again like this is one ku as I told you and also I told you this is ku okay any question
okay sir thank you sir
okay 1 2 3 variant just I remembered you have a variant of Sri here. I'm talking about the Sri, the Lakshmi, the wealth, Sri. So in the regular writing, we can have this wa and then this ra with long e, Sri. But there is a variant form also that I want to show you. There's no problem. Okay. And you have a vertical line, there's no problem. And the rakar actually little curved line, this slanting line there to the Instead of a horizontal, it is like slanting line. Okay. This is also with Sri. Okay. And we have another variant also, Gnya. J, Gnya. This Gnya. Sorry, I did something. I'm talking about this Gnya. So as I told you in the very beginning, so this is Gnya. Already we have seen. Now about the variant, horizontal, vertical, little round, semicircle, again another round coming curve, and then like you have to have a round, small round here, and the line to the downward, and then from here you have this. Like you start from the middle of the stroke and going up little curve, and then at the end there is a circle. This is also Gnya. I think this much is from my side, whatever I remember. I think I have covered mostly. Okay. Because all these I told you, it is on couple of manuscripts. When you go through other manuscripts, definitely you can find, because the lessons I'm conducting with you, it is only based on 25 manuscripts. And it is a good idea to collect or see the huge collections of Nanadinagari manuscripts and prepare a better paleographical aspects of this script. So whenever you know many manuscripts, so definitely there is some variations and varieties definitely one can get. So this is not the final. It is just the introduction to the Nanadinagari, and this is the beginning. I can tell you, all of you, my dear friends, this is just the beginning. And as much as you interested and learn more and see different manuscripts from different periods, definitely you can find variations and variations and variations. Thank you. So, do you have any question? Or I can.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes. बोलिए.
Sir, myself Anirudh Bakshi. Sir, I have just missed Nanadinagari numerals 3, 4, 5. Can you please repeat this?
Which one?
3, 4, 5, 6, sir. Nanadinagari numerals 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 3. This is 4, and then 5.
Ah, sir.
Okay.
5 and 6.
5, and then
6.
6. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Please note down. And please maybe you can mute. There is some sound obviously. Okay.
Yes.
Good. Thank you. So any question, or we can now read the inscriptions, or maybe the given, I have given you manuscripts, folios. So what do you think? We read the manuscript folio now? Are you ready? Can you hear me, my friends?
Yes, Guruji, I can hear you.
No, you can hear me, but can I, are you ready to read the folios I have given to you?
Yes.
Okay. So can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, because I changed my system because I was writing with the pad, notepad. Now I'm in the laptop to show you. I'll share the screen, maybe which one? Okay, maybe this one. I don't know. Okay, are you able to see? Okay, so who can read? Or I will call the name and you want to read. What is the, which procedure should we follow? So are you ready? Who can read this? Who is going to be able to read this? I can ask the name. Would you like to read or you can read by yourself?
I can start.
Okay, please you start. That will be very good.
First letter is maybe ko.
Yes, correct. 100%.
Ko, dha,
Ko.
then dha, dha, rmah,
Ko dharma.
ko dharmah, then maybe sa.
Sa, yes.
Sa, rva,
Sarva.
sarva, dha,
Sarva.
dha, rma, nam,
Dharmanam.
dharmanam.
Yes, the Anuswar is here. Dharmanam. Very good.
Continue.
Yes, correct.
Bha,
Yes, please continue. Please continue.
bha, va, tah,
Bhava.
bhavatah.
Bhavata. See, all my dear participants, you can see very clearly the bha and ta, how they are different to each other. Even though the horizontal line, vertical line, then you can see here. Bhavata. Very good. Continue.
Pa,
Pa,
ra,
ra,
mo,
paramo. Very good. Huh?
ma, tah,
Mataha.
paramo matah.
Can you read from the beginning continuously without
Uh,
break? Ko, ko.
Ko dharmah sa rva dharmanam bhavatah paramo matah.
Very good. Please continue.
Kim,
Kim.
ja, pa.
Hmm.
This next is not clear. N and u, but in the middle, n.
Yes, you are correct, Yulia. You see, I can see you are very correct. It is Kim Japanamu.
Namu, nmu,
Nmu.
nmu, ch,
Cha with ya. Look at here.
chia, chia, te.
See here, te. Very good. Te.
This one I don't know. Maybe om. Oh, what's this? I don't know.
Japam uchyate. Okay.
Uchyate, jam tu,
Yes. Jam tu.
jantu, rja, rjanma, sang, sa, r. And the next one I don't know with Anuswara, but what's this? Ba.
Samsara. No, 1 minute. Samsara.
Sara. Samsara.
Bam.
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 Okay. Bandhana.
Bandhanat. Bandhanat. So can you explain this is ta with Halant? Okay. Look here. Ta with Halant. What is the number?
Number. I just must see what's this. I don't know.
This
Maybe
is 5.
5.
Please
Okay.
note down. This is also you can note down. This is 5. Okay. So you are doing very correctly. Very good.
Okay,
Very,
thank
very,
you.
very, very good. Okay, good. So who is going to read the second line of this folio? Who is ready? Second line. Come forward, like Julia. I request all my dear participants, please come forward and read. Who is going to read? Second line.
Sir, I will.
Yes, please tell your name so that we are recording, no? And please tell your name and then start.
Okay, so this is Prasanna Shikhare.
Okay.
Sriti.
Sriti, okay.
The third letter, it is the letter with aukara. Sriti. I don't understand the third letter, but the other two letters are Vach.
No, 1 minute. It is Sri and it is V. Not
Oh,
T.
sorry, Sri V. Sri
Yes.
V.
See, 1 minute, Secretary. Look at here. Here it is Bhavata. Look at here, Ta. Ta looks like you have the horizontal, vertical, and there is a round. You see, in this manuscript. And see here, it is the Bha. Horizontal, vertical, again horizontal and vertical. It is slanting.
Yes.
So it is
Sri
Sri.
Bhiksho Vacha.
No, actually it is Sri Bhisma Uvach. Bhismo Vacha. Bhismo Vacha.
Bhishmo. Okay, Bhishmo Vacha. Jagat Pratam.
Jagat.
Ta, Pa and Ra.
Jagat Pra. Then?
Bham. Sorry, Jagat Prabham.
No. You see, look at the downward, the bottom.
Bhu. Jagat
Yes.
Prabhum.
Yes, understood. Jagat Prabhum.
Jagat Prabhum. Is it Ray?
Try to understand it is Ray or what?
Jagat Prabhum. Cha.
It is Cha.
It looks like two horizontal lines with ekara.
Who can tell me what is this?
Sir, they.
Yes, they.
They.
Jagat Prabhum.
Deva.
Deva, yes. Then Deva, here now. Come to this. Deva, Manantam.
Manantam. Okay.
Yes.
Deva Manantam.
Then
Purushottamam.
Purushottamam, good, huh? Purushottamam. Please continue. Secretary. Su nahi. Sa, ta and u.
Stuvanna. Ma. Sahasrenam.
Sahasrena. Then
Purushaha.
Purusha, okay.
Satato.
Satato, huh?
Satato. Is it bha?
No, actually it is Satato Thita. Actually it's a cut diya hai. Satato Thita.
Satato Thita. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Secretary. Please mute from your side.
Yes.
Extra sound is there. Okay. Who is going to the next line? That is the third line.
Sir, मैं पढ़ूं? कोशिश करूं?
Please. Please tell your name. What is your name?
सर डॉली जैन।
Okay, please Dolly Jain ji. हाँ शुरू कीजिए
त
please.
में त
हम्म,
में
हम्म.
फिर ये है द
No,
व
तमेव.
तमेव तमेव
हम्म.
फिर तमेव वा
No, it is not
वा
va, it is cha.
च अच्छा हाँ चार च य चार च यह सर
नहीं 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 चार चार च चार
चार च
च
य चार च
चार
यम
चार चयम.
चार च यम फिर बाद वाला सर ये वाला अक्षर पहचान में नहीं आ रहा है।
It is actually, you see, you look at the top, it is E. Then you
हाँ
have this horizontal line, there is a vertical, there is a na. Nityam, look at here, Nityam.
अच्छा
You,
नित्यम
you cannot see this vertical and clearly. If you look at the vertical line here, just follow the cursor, you see, like this.
जी जी
Nityam.
नित्यम भ
Hmm.
भक्त भक्तमा या
नहीं,
भक्तया
not
भक्तया
Bhaktya, yes.
भक्तया फिर है पुघम ऊपर कुछ
It is not Pugama. Pu, you see, look at here. He has given one symbol and indicating that there is one letter in the top. Look at
पुरु
here. Ah.
पुरु
Hmm.
पुरुघम पुरुघम
No, no, Purusha. You see, look
पुरुष
at here. Looks like pa, but there is a stroke between this Purusha.
अच्छा
Hmm.
पुरुष
Hmm.
म पुरुषम फिर पुरुष पुरुषम ये ग्रह है सर ग्रह फिर यम
नहीं, Purusam Abhyayam.
पुरुषम अभ्ययम
Hmm.
सर ये भ कैसे हुआ
No, Purusha Ma.
म फिर ये
And
सर ये आगे
what is a combination of wa and ya?
अच्छा
Ya is a triangle, no? And
ठीक है
yam.
व्ययम
Look at here. You can see the
व्ययम
individual. You can see the individual ya at the
जी
end.
पुरुष
And there is a repetition. Look at here the
जी
graphics. Easily you can see. They're very similar. Same.
व्ययम
Ah.
व्ययम
Okay, next.
फिर ये आगे वाला तो य है लेकिन इससे पहले वाला
No,
न
it is dhyana. Or what? No.
ध्यान
One minute. Dhyayan. Sorry, dhyayan. Dha with
ध्यान
dhyayan. Dhyayan.
ध्यान और फिर हलंत है सर ये ध्यान फिर है सु
Look at
व
here. It is Holanta. Okay.
हाँ सर
Dhyayan.
फिर है सु व
No,
न
Stu. Stu,
श्रुवन
Stu. No,
श्रुवन
Stu. Stuban. Stuban.
स्तुवन हाँ सर स्तु व फिर ये न हलंत है आगे
See, it is sa and it is ta with ukara.
हाँ
Stuban.
स्तुवन फिर ये न सर कर्सर किधर गया
Yeah.
ये रहा सर फिर है नम स्तुवन के बाद नम नमस नमस्यम
Namasyam.
नमस्यम फिर ये स
1
है
minute. 1 minute. Namasyam. No. Namasta. 1 minute. Namasta. Namastasya. Namasyam. Because the Anuswara, I'm little bit doubtful about the Anuswara. Even though there is a dot, if you look at the Anuswara, all the Anuswaras are very prominent. But here the Anuswara is not prominent. So, 1 minute. Grammatically, Namastasya. Actually, it should be Namastasya. It should be there. Namastasya. But Namasta.
तो दिख नहीं रहा ना सर तो नहीं दिख रहा है ना शायद ऐसा नमस्त्यम
Okay, Namastham. You can say Namastham. So, tha is not okay. Namastha. I'm not sure.
Sir, can it be namasyastha? Namasyamstha.
See here, Nama. Saw is there and it looks like
Yo.
yeah, or it is Anuswar. Namasya. Namasyam.
नमस्यम, फिर ये सदा, फिर ये है यजमान, आगे यजमान है सर, फिर ये आगे सदा
यजमान, हाँ।
यजमान, फिर है ये
here it is sta. Look at here. It is sta. Sa and ta. Stamev.
स्तमेव, फिर च है, स्तमेव च.
Stamev cha. Yes. But still I am thinking about the word just we crossed. So what will be that? I am looking at again. It looks like, actually looks like dha. No? But
जी.
dha, stha, I don't know. Namastha. Namastha. Sadha combination is not there. No? Sadha. There is a mistake here. It should actually it should be namastasya. I think grammatically. But anyway, it is some problem. Okay. Again.
और फिर इसके बाद ये है ये नंबर है, कोई न्यूमेरिकल है?
This number will be the 7. 7.
हाँ, 7.
Because it was a 5 and it was 6. Look at here. 5, 6, 7.
जी.
Okay. Thank you, Dalijan ji. Thank you. Thank you. Who is the next?
Sir, this is Kamal, sir.
Okay, Kamal ji, please.
I'm trying, sir.
Please.
From number 7.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You can see the cursor here. It is not ma, it is a.
Sir. Ana. Anadir.
Anadir, okay. What is dir? Why dir?
De.
No. You see, which looks like ra, it is e.
Re.
No, it is e. So, anadi, then nidhanam.
Nidhanam.
Anadi nidhanam. Yes.
Nidhanam. Okay.
Look at here.
Anadi.
Both are the ikara. Anadi nidhanam. Okay.
Nidhanam. Okay, sir.
Not ra.
Yes. Sir.
And look at here. Ra is a little bit. I told you. You can see it. Ra is here. Okay.
Hello, sir. The word which we were trying to read, it may be Namasyamscha, because in it is a Vishnu Sahasranama, right?
1 minute. Which one? Nama?
Namasyamscha. The sya with Anuswara and sha plus cha. The word is like that in Vishnu Sahasranama. Namasyamscha.
1 minute.
Dhyayan stuvan Namasyamscha yajamanastamevacha.
But 1 minute. Nama, what you said? Nama?
Sya, the first letter is sya with Anuswara sya, and the second letter will be sha plus cha. Scha. Namasyamscha.
But the problem is there, my dear. Grammatically, you may correct, but the problem is if you look at the graphics.
Right.
So, what is the first one? What is the which saw is the first one? Looks, the both saw are the same. If it is namas, if it is cha, then it will be talavya. Sha. No?
Yes, right, sir. So, can it be scribal error?
Definitely, it is scribal error. What you said, it is correct reading, maybe. So, it is a scribal error. That is true.
So it was Namastasya.
Namastasya, I'm not sure. I'm just grammatical. I was looking. I'm not sure.
Maybe the problem is the Namastasya.
1 minute. Okay, I will look at it again. Maybe some bigger thing and or from the book I taken, I will get back to you. Okay, let us see how it is exactly. So please continue.
Sir.
We can see here anadi nidhanam. Okay, now you have to complete it. Anadi nidhanam,
then Vishnu
V and a Sha on the top, Na and U. Vishnu. Vishnu with Anuswara. Vishnum. Vishnu.
Sa Stokam, Strotam.
Vishnu. Sarva.
Sarvato. Sarve.
No. It is Vishnu. Vishnum. Vishnum. Sarva.
Loka.
Sarva Loka.
Loka. Okay.
Yes.
Loka. Sarva Loka.
Ma.
Ma. Ha.
1 minute. This stroke may be on the top. Mahe. Mahe.
Mahe. Maheshwaram.
Maheshwaram. Okay.
Swaram. So this is it low?
It is clear. Low.
Loka.
Loka.
Tra.
No. Loka.
Loka.
Dha with ya.
Lokadhya.
Lokadhya. Sham.
Sham. Sham.
Then stu.
Acha. Stuvam.
Because here we can see it is stu here. It is stu.
Okay.
Stuvan Nityam.
Okay.
Already we have seen here. Stubam Nityam.
Okay. Earlier we have seen that. Nityam. And
it is Sarva.
Sarve.
Not a way. Sarva.
Sarva.
Because the Ekar is not there. Only Refa you can see very clearly. Sarva.
The with U.
Sarva Du. Actually, it's maybe double dot, maybe there. Dukkha, no? It is not there clearly, but it seems the Bisarga may be omitted. Dukkha,
Dukkha.
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 Dukkhati.
Ti.
Go.
Go.
And then
Go.
Bhavet.
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 Bhaveta. Sir, ta with U?
No, ta with Haland. Bhavet.
Acha, ta with Haland.
Like Pathet, Bhavet, Gachet,
okay.
Bhavet. Then what is this number now? Come to
number,
the number. Already told you, just told you.
8, sir.
Yes. 8. And after that, at the stroke, that's Viram. Okay, then. Okay.
Okay.
Then,
sir, ta with Ra?
Brahma.
Acha, Brahma. Okay, Brahma.
Brahmanyam. Now with Ya with Anushwar.
Okay, so Brahmanam hai?
No, Brahmanyam. No, because this is Na. The strokes are Na.
Okay, Na.
With Ya with Anushwar. Brahmanyam.
Okay. Sarva. G.
Dharmagyam.
Dhar.
Dhar and Refa is there. Mo is there. Gya with Anushwar. Dharmagyam.
Okay, Dharmagyam.
Okay. So thank you, my dear friends. And I will send you more work today, and please transcribe other 2 folios I have given you 2 days back. So that see you tomorrow with the same time. And we have more reading, and I will send you some study materials also tonight. Okay. Thank you all. Can we stop now?
Guruji, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.